it's a big pole. Putting in a big old pole today. Gonna have a awesome 30 by 60 foot American flag of Old Glory here. Want to show some cool stuff that's over there. I'm just going to walk right over there to it. It is parked on the side. I now have the keys to start this one up. This is a 2500 HD High Country Diesel that we just got in, that does not have a deposit on it yet. Somehow it went through the cracks. Did not have it pulled out, because where I usually shoot my videos, there's a giant 130 foot pole right there. Pretty cool. Of course, front and rear park assist. The chrome, copper and chrome front grille. The High Country grill on there. Roof marker lamps above. This is Duramax Diesel. Has the power articulating steps. Oh, so fancy. Extra step inside of the back. Oh, looky there. Here's your Chevy Tech spray in liner. Sliding rear window. Got your bed view camera and your rear mirror camera on there. Rear wheelhouse liners. Shut this door, man. Maybe another video later of this if it doesn't sell this today before we close. Of course, power up and down tailgate. All you do on that is hold that down, and that will lower the tailgate. Alright. If you want to put it back up, you press and hold. There we go. Of course, all 10 ply tires. This is a Z71 upgrade as well. Finished doors to the back. Platform. Heated seats, power outlets. Side, 4-spoke stereo. The dual glove box. More storage there. Of course, these are leather seats in the front. And it's coming around. Start this one up. Once your remote started, you have to just push your foot on the brake and push the start button. That's all you need to do. And start with here. Got your forward collision alert here. Heated steering wheel, cruise control. Of course, your driver information center is over here, and your push talk hang up button is there. Your behind here is your volume, and behind here are your favorite channels. This ain't got no gas in it. And we go, voila, there's your camera view for your rear vision camera. And this is a demo vehicle. It does have the hard drive navigation system on here as well. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay respectively. The cameras, oh look, it's got surround vision. When I go out there and change them views. There you go. Super great feature. These are grayed out because you do not have the camera accessories on. They can be purchased for those cameras, as well as your bed camera there and your hitch view camera there are part of the features. Of course, your volume, your home button that takes you back home, back button, and your select and check marks pick button. Dual climate control, driver and front passenger. Let's see if the microchips are on this beast. Oh, they are. Oh, they're all there. Exhaust brake button is here. Your lane departure warning is here. That's a lane keep assist. It's your parking sensors. Let's turn those on. Oh, missing the chip, Benny. Okay, we'll get that. It's on retrofit. That lowers and raises the tailgate, like with the remote. Hazard lights, stability track off. This turns your button on to turn the plug in the back, and in the same one right here. All right there, yeah. And of course your hill descent control, and your turns your power articulated steps on and off. Trailer brake controllers right there. More power ports there. Oh, look, another one right there. Oh, let's look inside. Oh, there's 2 more charging ports there. A nice little light in there. Right above, you put your power sunroof on this model. Garage door opener here. There's your button to open the rear glass. That about covers everything. I'm gonna turn this beast off because it ain't got no gas in it. And before I go, I will show these cool mirrors, which are right here. They do power extend, and they do power fold, which is power folds right there. Hello. And that's how that works. If you like this vehicle, hold on a second. There's the actual picture of the window sticker. I'll try to zoom in. You can pause to see the goodies. The diesels have a 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain on the warranty, unless it's a business and it's 5 years, 60. There's all your goodies. And the one retrofit is the front and rear park assist. And that is it. If you like this vehicle, go to buywithbenny.com. That's me. Happy to help. Just put in you're looking for this awesome diesel while we still have it. Have a great day.